All right, time for some more con Zumba. Here we go with mitosis. All right, so we're going to start out, put your hands together, looks like this. All right, so right there, what phase are we in? This is 90% of our cell's time right there. We've got interphase. So this is our first phase right there, interphase. It is not a part of mitosis. We're going to now transition into the phases of mitosis. So we have to start open this up a little bit, and we start to make in prophase. Our chromosomes start to condense into actual chromosomes that we can see instead of just being chromatin in that spaghetti-like DNA spaghetti bowl that we have inside the nucleus there. Then we're going to do this. Look at that. Take a look right there. All of your fingers right there are lined up in the middle. Right there in the middle, this is metaphase, where your chromosomes are lined up right down the long side in the middle, right there. Anaphase, look at that. Anaphase, they're starting to move apart. Your fingers are moving apart. And literally right underneath the microscope, you're going to see it look just like this. It looks like fingers are being pulled apart just like that. So this is anaphase right there. A for apart, anaphase. And then you have telophase, where you have two nuclei inside the cell. And the final part where they're going to pinch off, cytokinesis, and now you have two cells. So you start off at interphase, you can start off here, you can start off here. Either way is fine. You've got prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, cytokinesis. All right, try this. I'll be looking at your desk to see if you're doing it.